Reure. Mukati ano. Yo kiwa ika ulo mona ke very
old school
Stone Age. Remo do kanilo vya soka sagini atwara msamiati wa chengi. Uonekane you have been onboarded.
Mukati ano. But there was such a segment gatheti there. I think it was the Young Nation.
Yes.
There was a segment here tagoguo.
Yes. There was even radio no etawo news ya shengi.
Ghetto.
Ay pop news time. Okay, dikodiwa na mhando. Nemato yana na feed ghetto Katiana. Ya leta faida ya kuhana. Where's your now could quite count the Ajiro as a I think there was a segment like that. Mukatiano, Kumendea, tell what when I made Diana.
What is that?
No, get you go anyways, you go issue Kumendeana, Katiana. Yes. Wakora ukaje tugoka huko Nairobi ile wakora kati yako alikala kwenda nimebro na wewe you tell someone that you think you're a lunatic today. Kuna fanya nimekubro.
No, they think you are not okay upstairs.
You know, it actually looked very desperate. So nimebro na wewe haki. And of course, I don't know which one they are using today.
That was impeached long time ago.
No, it sufficed for a while.
There
was even a song to it. Nina Noki. Leo metale kiyo kila ya kunoka.
Kunoki. If I'm not wrong,
yes.
Reboru, it must be over 20 years old.
It is highly likely.
Tonerokido around 2000
Mother kiro inari. Either atumiso. Nameless. It's around 2 or 3 there.
Yeah. No wakiona runa miaka kipaona kido.
Yes. Leo guys, likale hizo na man sai mogi vile mwete nimekunoki. Agoria wewe ndio kunoka. Tafunguliwa.
Anrezi no amarika mau.
Yes. Iyo kunoki le. Keu mete no la engineer nokaga. Ukoria mwete ndure Syria.
Oh, unoka. Unoka tata engineer. Ndio ndo aendo.
Na leo ko bro re. Nime bro na wewe re. Yeye umete from the blowing of a kiss. Na batu kama mako bro re. Nako no kita kukatiana na Kumendeana. Ni wako rale mwono ni wako very insecure. Never mind, you had zero investment in a relationship. Just emotional
investment.
Yes. Ni wako nyado watu weka secure. Especially we chari yaro ogo. Ukigwa ni ugo prank mukihi waku. Wone kana nima. Ni ako nokete.
Bethi gaku.
Bethi gaku kana ko buru wete na kori. Kana ko wete ke.
Wete na ko.
Ko wana kori wita. Neri kare andike.
Anyway, Ruro.
Tene gwete na. No, that was actually kera.
Tene gwete na. Una marica mana mai na twist.
Na kung fu.
Era kung fu.
Na le boro ina gero hari aroi. Na ta mo
Oleko.
Ero bro ina iro aya mochina akiumisi no amenya ni agotwira go disco ya diaro ende akono kire ni waseta up kada ukamera 3 egerie kuha mukihi waku ote loyalty test no ekago ni eta thia mundu muthoni weka loyalty test social media puruto loyalty test yo eka na murata waku na kwi murata mahukanira hau they have never seen
eye to eye.
Yes. So onaguthia atia ni waigua you see them when wakoraga mukihi ni we irima gari yaku ni okay
stage yo ni we irima gari yaku ni we irima
ere kirwathi no bado wako we na the you know that hikini meoka a bigger percentage than today. People don't trust each other that much. You wako on wekete na itasi yaku hau. Akomi yako okera kadari. Yes.
Ogeri ogo hena
na very wako we have in the proximity. Yes. Kehithania handu na maroro.
Kana gitutho. Eke utie ko gwito getago gitutho. Nigua yokete na karuri wa gakure.
Kana mashororoma. Boy. Mashororoma ni maria riu maigo ya maroro. Kego na ugeshororoma. Kaiwa. Riu othikirie conversation. Pluto riu. Riu eno Pluto. Kaiwa. Mani beth ni gora gobro wete kala manyani
ani yo jolaga
yo le ke mwe na kife
Leo Kifa is within vicinity.
Kifa his heart is beating.
Boom boom boom.
Goro era hora mwini wa boga goro hora ake.
Maita igana.
Goro ake hora adeja. Goro ake hora adeja. Kaya okona ke yunaga okaje kuona those are signs of
hiyo ni red flag.
Red flag. Hiyo red flag yabe?
Ya bele.
Kaya kai. Tia seimo. Asa ni gongo welete. Kia kihagi. Yana hagi hiyo. Your world falls
apart. It collapses.
Alafu keni yoroki ni oto mirere. Kia hagwari. Kikaro ni othio na haria wehithe.
Na haria wehithete.
Agweka hi.
As if to show you,
yes, that you are actually dating a public
utility. So it was very easy to deconstruct your fault.
Yes, it will show you your line of defense is very porous, weak as hell,
emaciated,
lackluster. Now the goon agaka igua wega
aka komenya when to exit.
Yes, agora this is something I can dare the odds. Aka odora ata wa kuna akera bethi waku tigethie gutware woko kafethia kiga sawa no tutigacererwo. That is not the way every bora our country. Yeah, I watch them what?
I watch them drive off. What Joe Nichols.
Nothing but
the tail lights.
Ogwo mwana ata mamwe maro me makuire ku.
Na magikofo bana.
Todo cio thia akona atiriri. Tondu mundu uyu ogwo ona haha. Matigeteithania undu ungi na muhiki uyu ri. Handu haturirwo ithuotheri. No njoe mata.
Matamu.
No, you would have a very horrible. Na niwe ituikare ya gorori. Itufare ya gorori. Ria thira na kimera. Wako riu bebe irare haha. Itufare ure ka horara cia gethu. Ukamena Simoni
pio
na muikio cio pio nginya ukamahoera gikuo na to utiare ngai rongo ndugia mahoire maguthwo ni ngai
utiare mitoka
wa mahoera metino ya ohio
ndere yari kuo ndere history ya accident
wa mahoera metino ya ohio makimwo ni ng'ombe
macemania na kirumi
kana mathare kio ni ngui
cia tinaini
matamburo ni kirumi kana mamerio ni gitarara
na makuo ni rui magethwo gicungine.
You would wish for them to have a natural death in a natural way.
No, it was a very bitter fallout.
Na tu na thimu cio korogu ile cieto miungurio. They are loud speaker, but by themselves they are already loud.
They were loud.
You know where I can that. Akuria kakike haha ndi yake hoka
takahurire
wakatie
na hindi nginya no ogurite airtime.
Yes.
And you know back then airtime was also not very
no, it was a luxury. Yes, and they had no other benefits, and it was charged by the minute.
Ahurire kaiga gutu haha
sasa mlebe na nikibuka ni solo master mesika hiyo njina sasa unajua nakuwa nimekukufa baya
gai
sasa kuna ulisa unaweza depend it uko flisade
saa ngapi
tukitoka shash saa 8
kungoja wapi
kijana msafi lifa load. Okay, what do gata yaku is going with the lyrics like she's doing a cover.
Ukamenya wewe umepeano.
Wewe all along you have been living a lie.
Like a fool in love.
Yes. And like a fool, you kept thinking something is going to change. How now there is a danger in loving somebody too much. You see, and then like this generation, these very cold Gen Zs, if you had to break, you never moved on. Wakikaia nyimbo cia itufa ria ngoro ureranie nacio. Wakikaia nyimbo icio. Da. Da. You let's be my baby.
Hare ndugu ciaku ire oguo.
Na re boro wa Uncle Sam. Adege mati Uncle Sam eta wa gutondu wa rwe boro. I will never want to see you again.
No, ndio cia wendo.
No, as we had very terminal hangovers from heartbreaks. I call on mother moveshi ya kaundu kau kaigwa tongeri
ngera huko yani kiko ugite atiri andu matio ba karata
kapana
tondu ni gukua guo
gukua ku. Yes. Because it's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Yeah. There is a generation of us that should be given head of state commendations, if not OGW.
Neki.
You see, we are from the struggle. Adwa makinya maremenya wega tokiruga murini ya muri. Mudo ni mena Stacy matingi understand kira gituma duka iho ya chips town iho etwo Millennium matie ni ahedeo kwa rugake
Millennium was big.
Yes.
Na ne yaririrwo ihinda inene.
Yes. To generation ile yeteire gaturume muthenya ucio wa 1999 December 31
tukirugia mwaka tuingire 2000.
Yes. Ithu ento na conviction ya riri nema mukuri no acoke
netwanda irio guoya gaturume ni aracoka hindi
ona kwemende tindo ciao cia guku muguro wa riua
na angi makenja nginya mihongorima.
Yes. Mihongorima
igwa yetago tunnels
yo ibatie ko thore muthuri auka kumena gatoria
wake boy
mihongorima
akire gwa yetago
Dari oro generation ile yari the cyber cafe generation. These two girls here maybe ne makorera no muno makigia the gadgets makoro me na internet mukono
internet mukononi.
Yes.
Na bururi wa kinyukia makinya maige ICT wise.
Yes. Oigo na Safaricom makiuga maisha ni
digital.
Yes. There was the labor of internet.
Accessing internet.
Yes.
You had to labor.
And there are people who are very wealthy today because they started a business called Cyber Cafe.
Yes.
You will not make money. Printing, what have you, design.
To remain afloat in business.
Yes. If you quit the Ogathie kilomita tavote to access simple internet.
Uthie Cyber Cafe.
Yes.
Tondu wina email.
Yes.
Urenda gutuma kana watumirwo urenda guthi kurora.
Kana ni urayo ne mama guo. Never mind ne kuhenio. Ati uhingura email nigetha utumirwo okay.
Handu aragwethagira.
You see, wera mama guo ni wetha wira ri agwethagira ihinga ciothe ni uri good conduct asa ni uri email
asa no hingure
abofange indo icio coke twarie. He's just procrastinating
and being bureaucratic
ni kukunawa Iwa maguru ugathie rural towns gotiare cyber
especially shopping centers.
No.
Unless shopping center iria cia kionete otheri gatene.
Yes. Tondo now never mind go get on a VTI but the connectivity zero.
Yeah, connectivity was also a problem.
Yes. Kwede wathia ukara laini mufomu ine jawa cyber. Ta thibitari
wetereire huduma.
Yes. Hende we na kadi dogo. Tondo wa igura email no wandikagirwo
your email address
and the password ndukariganirwo. Yes. Ukane riu niko okana
na kadi dogo.
Ko ulifungulia email wapi?
Nilifungulia Mulanga.
Sawa. Uje uko na password
niko na kandi.
Okay, enter number 4. Sia ta booth.
Booth number 4.
Yes. Ali watinika hamu.
Wakiamba ukagega nginya ni gutinikira computer.
Yes. Keypad. Ito CPU. Because modo mono manyitanire. Yes. Because ni TFT and what have you.
Ndio ni computer ka ngongo.
Yes. Ka ngongo proper. Like kona nyamu cia green cia Kona Microsoft 2000 Windows 98
na nisia gucagia wa meakia
ene cia kururagia
ne kururagia ko open
na wakirio oroguo ka haria ni operator yaba gatara ikomi gwakirio nyamuguo ne gatara 10. Yes. Aki ajere blousing kiugo blousing Adigosi muthoni mothagira kigo browse. Browse.
You know that was very basic computer literacy.
And you know even the results in the computer, there was no AI. Most of it was what is fed there.
Yes.
Kaigera hau. Kahingura email. Ugakena muno utumirwo email ni andu utoi athungu.
Hedio wina Yahoo
mail. Aje rika rĩu ritũ rĩ. Aya kũra kũrũma twĩta rika rĩa
.com.
Yes. And you know, you would spend your hard-earned money in a few minutes.
Nyambo gukariria kiamerere. It was a flash of minutes.
Kwaje ngiathire hau utongoretio ni mwiriri. You see, the problem is, oria we haria rimwe ni ona akiriora?
Kirioreka kama kiriorona.
There was no privacy. No ona oka hau agetua ni kuhata. Kumbe araora kirioraro.
Kirioraro na computer-ini.
Yes. Riwe ka Yesu kioga koroka ile tu mweno uyu na draft. Egio thigia gitama. Ikwa ndanduro horo ucio.
Ngira horo ucio hau.
Yesu yakona thikati ya jini. Muthungu. Na Firauthi. Ya Sifon. Mweno uge ni draft.
Ende aruru.
O ari agiothi. Agutuga tigano horo ucio. Kayesu kau negathenetie many a man.
Ndagatunyokithia bururi uyu meke andu mangionjokire.
Yes. Ilipo ni yako. Ana ni akali no ilipo wa computer tena. Hatulia tu igorire Facebook Cyber Cafe.
No, bururi uyu ni ubati ugaturiko kona isaga.
Hindia ni macuja kana gwetagwo atia?
Heroes Day.
Yes.
20th October.
Tukayagwo mwari omwe.
Tugatengagirwo mwari omwe.
Yes.
Andu acio igorire Facebook Cyber.
Yes. Sometimes when I post it, you think you are very silly. You see, we are from the struggling generation. Wadiana a physical photo. Cyber Cafe. Ega scano. Oposti profile.
Picture.
Okora profile picture yapi anaketo. Rugiana photo studio.
No, netubatie tuthondekero muthenya witu.
Inoi photo studio.
1998.
Yes. Onyitete radio. Oh, we are from the struggle. Kwajeru hei mundu cieho. Nacio ni mendete muno ni aki. Yes. Andu wakora riu ati university riu ni mahingite long holiday. Ukora riu ni akua kamukihi yake karogongo. Ati athie Cyber Cafe kuri vice.
Na gwika research. You know, research sounded like
no.
Like yeah.
You know,
near to the moon.
It was like rocket science. Kamukihi kagucerio gite ha. Ukora ika papa gitaipa muhiki agasuseka. Aga kinya ne kuihorero na kuyaga. Ne kona muthuri uria objective. Yes.
Muthomi uyu wa Egerton.
Yes. Oyo wetirwo Maseno. Agora querendo que o capital city yake ya US.
US in America.
Yeah. Atia on the capital city of USA. Kayeti gai.
Koje kakagura guani urahota gutaiputa kurora keyboard.
Yes. Wakaguceria keyboard yani. Tandika ritwa riaku. Kaya teke. Gago dia hangine kareko. In a space bar.
No ni ya space.
Gila de Wagacha. Yako kangoroti. The cyber generation. Kwa jere ukuri andu nao. Acio nao ni maruragia. Akoragwo na membership. Akare hakindu gitagwo, you see the way you pay for a paper and deliver go muthenya.
Yes.
We cyber market na muvango ucio, you pay a package. Yes. Ati we wathiere, you access any computer unlimited. You see there was a cyber and I remember that when yakoro Harrier Hilton. If I'm not wrong, that was the first cyber in Nairobi, if not Kenya. Harrier Hilton, a very big cyber. Wakora ini hau. Mwikiwa rogo wa via cyber korora kana kada yake. Eo iruo Mombasa pori.
There was no heart break. Riu kwa jadojo ni ciaicagi rugoko.
There was no.
Ta muthenya ugatete muthenya ugathio wa guthi cyber.
Yes.
Wakinya kuo kore thitima ni ciorire.
Kana okore mutambo ni urire. Na ukete nginya na ngari.
Urihite mabathi.
Okay, hakuna internet leo. Ndio inaitwa cyber mako mahana M-Pesa. Hakuna net.
Itarundi saa ngapi?
Atujui. Kuja Wednesday. Ni hapa tu ama ni kwenda. Sasa nitajuaje?
Hakuna ingine karimbu.
Akuona kwa nyuro gogori. Mukegire you assist. Arathire kwandikwo cyber. Makiona atoyo PS. Across cyber gethurai.
No, cyber was a serious employer.
No, you would think now he is the guy. Your sister is controlling the state.
Nitakuhewa wira wa command e-citizen yomuthi.
Exactly. Kwacho soke umoke Nairobi. Mwiro ni muguthi mutoke mukithagia wa ngeci wani.
Cyber gethurai.
Mumukore hau na mopu arahura tairo. Afu customer kakamuria umetuma nikuprintie ndio printer watuma haria a reception
ugaprintiro.
Yes. Kuna your sister do atinye mwero. Shika muko na family yanyu ni ono theri sagiria mama na baba kiroto katia ekiuma.
Nema muthenya wa mashujaa ni tubatie tukaheagwo handu.
Yes. And there are people matacokire guthibega muturire-ini uyu because they spend better part of their youthful days watching X-rated content.
Instead of researching on serious and useful content,
they would just identify a site. Hey, hoeta go warp trick.
Ni urathi muno. Ya la 52.
Abajeto tuguo.
Karea.com.
Na ithuĩ rĩu acio. Waikara mweri utakete post yege ya Facebook.
Imagine even more than a month.
Yes. Okay, and you would travel 40 kilometers to just write I am blessed. No, that's your kashoi.
Ugacoka mafutini.
Ukanya mieri ĩngĩ 3 kana 4. Ugacoka ugoka rĩu cyber rĩngĩ. Ukandĩka wenye wivu wajinyonge. Ugacoka rwegetha.
Yaja na 53.
We should be the coconut.
He should. The Habul Unlimited.
JKA Imesija.
Long before the coming of blenders to this side of the Sahara.
Blender
ni riri. Eka machine ke okaguragwo. Agwethera tutunda. Na ciokoro uguo ri. You know, being as pessimistic as we were, tugane ya guthira arwaru. Nakuru.
No, you had not known those things.
You see, most of the upwardly mobile rural folk, Aramagoria blender berry, they bought it as a necessity. Amudu uremezo
Gutanuka. Arwaru, Nakuru.
On a no, very lazy. At the doggy hota, Kurumira yem. And again, the rural folk had not much fruit to blend. No, you blend it too, yeah.
Naiguna.
Ikono is already blended. Beetroot, I'm going to see
senior adults.
Yes. Watermelon. I'm going to see your again. Mehendi. Yes.
There was not enough to blend.
No. No, where you see, you need a lot of fruit to blend. So long before the coming of those, what a blend I had very reliable. Yet hey, in the case of small babies, and some Genzima Makuru. Yes. And in this day and time, pundits would argue hygiene factor.
No, na hygiene issue.
You see, Mudre the most reliable and trusted authority out of Mwana Idiori. Nenina.
Yes.
So the Mwania Mukoni Yakona.
Nia Mukoni Mono.
Yes. Nasiana to Iria Maki Hadu. Makireli get to Otanukira Mwana Idio. Namwano Yakaku Maron Nutrition.
They are responsible mothers.
They are responsible mothers and the very senior people in this society. Nani mara matakuri ya mali. Yes. Todo kwa mwaitu. In the very rare occasion. I don't know matuke you know what you mwanokero. Not anukira mwanake.
Illegal.
Yes. You would be like the government. You would be syndical. Wabako ayo tireaku.
Wewarengagira mita-ini.
Yes. Itanuka ria mbere ri. Acha matanuka mabere mataturi. Mako me maku. It was irresistible at urute.
Ugage thei-ini getha kirurumere.
Yes.
No nginya nakio kiambe gikirwo ndithuru.
Heria bwana arerire. Ukamura horra nyambe ndie igoti.
30% ya pay.
Yes.
No nginya nyambe joy.
No so ki orangu afford buka. Housing
levy.
Yes.
Na ongerere shaho.
Kwacha shana tu akudoka. Ona no hapa nikauli alaizeta ni wari ya muno.
Wale nginya ukira mwene cio.
The voted project.
Okariarize voted ya development.
Yes.
No atigia.
Hedi arokiage no ngwe.
No bu.
You see, mwana ba go thiro na kanua. Ido tamarigo. Ejoria muhihio mwana ni mata maudakire namo. Yes. Ibona yari yogo kanyitogo ka kamunia.
Kamunia.
Kameria. Yes. Well, boys never used to get that responsibility.
Yes.
Men are not very trustworthy.
With the resources.
Yes, no, they are not. And that is a research the world over. Introduce you see, tana kwa ithina ni wa harakisha go onyitane na family no egi kuria kiria malaria. So that special treatment today was not sustainable.
Special diet today. You have to grow up very fast.
It was not sustainable. William no akinya handu ukajira kuguthwo kimutore udiro nakio yes ukenia yes wazo ka niguo introduce ku the staple na staple food ya rogo ya reke mutheri
Githeri is a staple food.
Yes. No githeri giatheru kanyongo-ini ri. You see, githeri watheru kiari the monocots. You see the dicotyledons and the monocotyledons. The dicotyledons would come out.
Kuri andu matacokire giatha inyanya.
Dicotyledons ni mboco. Monocotyledon
ni mahidi. Yani bebe.
Na jara nguhi nicio monocots. Na isigini dicots. Riu dicots nicio kaigo nicio mboco. Na nigetha gicabu ri no mwaka kingia rugirio.
Githocwo.
Riu gitana thocwo ri ni waheo riwe ya kugera iguru na kabakuri. Woera rukiangerwa nyuki. Boso.
Githeri gitana thocwo.
Na heo ndungiatahire wono watacia ya mwana na yaku. How do you trust issues yajagia?
Wono mugahua ni mwingi sana.
Huo sio wa mtoto. Ripoti hiyo umechukua.
Kuna mtoto na jitoto.
Kuna gutoto. Wewe kairia mwana tufoso.
Okay, aba kuni.
You never mind. Githeri ki uria giacucitwo ngiheririe mboco ri. Ratio ni agwaga uru.
Oru pio. Oru mono. The mono was always on the higher.
Was the prevalent. The dominant.
Boso emwe.
Boso emwe. Bebe that tu. Alikyo theri kiara ko ke pio. Bebe cia thamie. Ngira cimerie thubu wake.
Wa boso icenjie rangi.
Wara mamu anyu akiria boco ta inya. Na niwe mutanukira wa gutanukira mwana ti wathamie ta kana ka nyoni. Ni utanukio na rurimi
unyitirire
ti magego no maretoma ke
no maretoma system wine ukore ithire
ni omumu
yes
and you have to control the paste. It has to get very liquid. So you have to get very liquid. Ni
okomeria.
Yes. Now, that art. They should be in the treasury. Yes.
Ndio mafati ginya riu gwa county.
Yes.
Makono riu mara manage gina.
Yes. At that level, nyuko bado ni wakora wo in control. Tukia mwana boco akamune. Okora na kugakire to boco karia kahora. Riu haria duty ya delegate agwori niru akinya wariri ti wa gutanukirwo ni wa komodo so yake go you see you are growing them one day at a time kahinyiro hanini agakirio kamanya
gutanuka
hau ni mware ligi ni mware ligi tagirwo yes okay no modo era mwana boso
kamo modo era igiri
yes
agatatu kona maituguo ni ehugura ukaruma
kana karora akona the video ile boso cia thiri
eo ti mwana
oje ti hinya wa mwana hena combined effort
yes. The video ni kuonania ni haingihia magego
yes
na mwana ndakinyitie magego hau
omera mama mbere tu Akamanya
hapo meno imekuwa mengi.
Hapa kuna ugumania hegu kumio yakatia
keka
nyaga uskoko na ni utare mwana ningi ndakandwo yes riu athio mongereire ratio ya mborogoto ciake ciambetie sawa mwana ari nigetha amenyo wega akuwe ku join the family table ni aria aheo boco agaikia guoko guothe akaruma na gasi magaria na cai unaided
akamenya kariu ni ehera wako mugodorerwo
yes this step wege yari ya kumwehereria riri liquids akiria solids ahingurwo githii kia mata
amenya ku to nginya irio ciumagario na liquid you generate yours in the mouth
yes you digestion starts in the mouth Rebone kwa ruda mwana gatanukiro nginya mbembe ekirwo kanuari they figure it out
na no muhutuo nake
yes
Betie wese mone joka
kwa la kana wakora mwana wa miaka 3 ni arakaria yembe ritari riru aro make no ire
da no ire tia
yes no mata nuka ira ciana irio those people should be in top leadership position acho ndimenya gukora mata
yes
tia koroku
yes
ndo ambo ito kori thu twehokeirwo guori ciana cingia mocire
tene na iye marasima
na beri na gaciako kau na ko ndo moyo rugo
gaciako umutanukiire empowerment yothe okameria pesa mashinani re ala beti